San Miguel Beer ads compilation through the years. San Miguel Beer is a flagship product of San Miguel Corporation and is one of the largest selling beers in the world. San Miguel's manufacturing operations have extended beyond its home market to Hong Kong, China, Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, and Australia, and its products are exported to 60 markets around the world. San Miguel Beer officially opened for business on September 29, 1890 and adapted the name La Fábrica de Cerveza San Miguel.
Uminom ng San Miguel Beer. So good. Ayos na.
The brewery took its name from the Arrabal, suburb or district, where it was located, San Miguel, Manila.
San Miguel Beer. Great to relax with.
Here are some of the classic San Miguel Beer commercials that will surely bring you back in time.
Isang malamig na San Miguel Beer.
Pamulutan muna kayo, sir.
Maya na, hintayin ko na lang yung San Miguel Beer.
San Miguel Beer, kaibigan, kahit saan, kahit kailan. Boss!
Sarap.
Kaya nga ako hindi kami nauubusan dyan eh. Kahit kailan, kaibigan, San Miguel Beer.
Para ikaw lang yung may green card na ayaw tumira doon.
Pare, iba pa rin sa sarili mong bayan.
Tapos sa USA hanggang sa Canada, Pinoy na may dalang sa maletang pag-asa. Marami kong nakita kahit konting kinita, ngunit mayroong naiwan ako sa kita.
Kaya nga ako umuwi.
Brown up, awis, karitela at traffic sa EDSA. Luneta, karaoke at ibang tapausa. Kahit saan, kahit kailan, hindi malimutan. Kaibigan tulad nyo at San Miguel ko. Itsong bangga at winipigil at sukasisig. Basketball, baseball, tapay mong kalbo. Adidas, chicharon at manisap na dito. Kaya kung man pagdaan,
Uuwi ka rin dito, kaibigan.
San Miguel.